If the market just isn't going anywhere, it's getting into the end of the sweet spot. I don't want to hang around because the traders are going home. London traders are going home. The New York bankers have gotten their orders from their customers already, so there's just not going to be much to do. In that type of environment where nobody else is trading, you can run into some problems because if you're the only one trading, or there are very few professionals trading, and the professionals are the ones that move the market. It doesn't take a leap in logic to figure out that the likelihood of the market continuing is low. So where are we standing now? We're really not looking at much of a pattern. We do have a, let me go ahead and draw it in here. I'm looking at the hourly now down in the corner. We are looking at a triangle pattern building. Now, the reason why I'm not calling this a pennant, just so you know, is the angle of the market coming into it is fairly shallow. What I would rather see is the hourly maybe make a move down like this, where it's a lot faster, maybe over 1.5, possibly 2 sessions, the market moves from the high to the low. Here you can see it happened over 3 sessions. So because there's not a lot of momentum in here, it doesn't really indicate that the market's getting ready to spring back to the upside. So tomorrow's London session, however, I think we are looking at, there it is, there's my red line. We're looking at a very nice area for potential break to the upside, also potential break to the downside. So you want to look for a counter trend set up here. Coming into the sweet spot hours, you're going to be looking for the 3-bar reversal coming into this 94.70 area, 3-bar reversal to the downside, expecting the market to move back to 93.75, so about an 80 pip move or so. We would hope, depends on where the 3-bar reversal comes in, or if the market does not reverse and it does manage to break out, that's where we would look for the little dipper coming back down, where the market's retesting the support for the continuation to the upside, probably moving into the 1625 area. So I've got about 80 pips to the downside, maybe 125 or 130 to the upside for tomorrow's session. I will say this though, if the market does manage to come back down to this low, we need to watch out, because again, if it does manage to break, that's where we're looking at the potential beginnings of a nice aggressive trend to the downside.